you do as much forward driving as I do, chances are you're going to break a few things off-road or even try your hand at a bit of DIY maintenance. For jobs like uni joints, bearings or bushes, there really is only one tool for the job, and that's the 20-tonne hydraulic press from Hare and Forbes. Plus, get yourself one of these and you can save thousands of bucks that you would have otherwise spent at mechanical shops. Here I've got bushes that I need removed, and the only way I can do it is with this 20-tonne press. A lot of mechanical jobs, such as replacing radius arm bushes, can only be done using one of these machines. I've also got here a bush driver set, which makes the job a lot more effective. This thing's a strong unit, made from steel construction, has a dual spring return ram and includes bending plates. For a quicker action, you can also fit this optional hand wheel to get a bit more adjustment and alignment freedom. For home DIY repairs or for working on your car, when you need huge force in your workshop, you really can't go past the 20-tonne hydraulic press from Hare and Forbes.
Hare and Forbes Machineryhouse, your one-stop machinery shop.